Hello everyone, welcome to Business with Tanmay, and this is 14th episode, and today I'm gonna talk about 5 steps to scale business organically. These 5 steps I am also using to grow my startup, to grow my business, and I'm getting fabulous returns with these 5 steps. So let's get started with our topic. So what are these 5 steps? Number 1, define your goal. Number 2, define your micro niche. Number 3, create website and social platforms. Number 4, create explanatory videos about your product and services. And number 5, upload on your social medias, social platforms these videos and give the call to action link. So here's a brief explanation about all of this. Let's start it with number 1, the goal. So running a business without a goal is a reason 50% of the businesses fail. So have a clear goal for your business, short-term and long-term goal. I am running a digital marketing agency, and our short-term goal is to acquire 5 clients in 3 months, and long-term goal is to become number 1 in our city. Simple. Number 2, define your micro niche. So what is your micro niche? If you want to be separated, get separated from your competitors, then you need to work on your specialized area. So what is your specialized area? Don't try to sell everything you have at once. Have a specialized area and create an ecosystem around it. Example, if you have 40 products, then try to prioritize 2 or 3 topmost products and create content for these products. So then add other products around them one by one. This is how you can scale faster. Number 3, create website and social platforms. So selling without a website is hard. You cannot grow faster. So create a website, upload your product, services on it. And then next part is to drive traffic. So for that, your social media platforms, your social media profiles are gonna help you. How? Here is the number 4. Number 4, create explanatory videos. So I'm personally creating lots of explanatory videos about what I do and what my agency does, and uploading these videos on social media platforms. So what do you have to do? Create plenty of explanatory videos about your product and services. What your product do, how you do it, how they are made, how you deliver, packaging, managing, methods, etc. and upload these videos on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Once you upload these videos are going to work for you continuously even when you are sleeping, and can drive you lots of sale. So I'm personally using this and I'm getting good results up from this. Next thing is number 5, give a call to action link. So what is call to action link? Call to action link is you have to drive your traffic from these videos. Once people see your videos, you have to send them to your website or your landing page or where your product or services. So what you have to do? Give call to action link to your videos and send traffic to your website or your landing page or your personal number, whatever you want to do. So collect the leads, and that's it. So when you create in-depth video explaining about what is your product and what you do and what you have, you win trust. People easily buy from you when you deliver a good sales pitch because they have already engaged with your content, your video. So I'm using these from last 2 months and have generated lots of leads. How? I have created a special course, and if you want to learn step by step that how I'm doing it, how I'm crushing it, then I have given a link in my Instagram bio and as well as my Twitter bio as well. So if you want, just grab that offer. Thank you.